Strike call is what we want to go ahead and buy. We've got TTML also that's on the buy list. But Sri Renuka, if I'm not mistaken, last month or so we had taken a position in the 80 strike call, and we'd square that position off later on, and this time we've moved a little lower.
Yeah, I'm moving a little lower because we don't have too much time. So, 80 call is just about 20 paisa, and the probability of that is not too high if the market sort of fizzles out. Okay, you don't lose too much money, but you won't make any money either. 75 is much nearer strike to the current prices. So it's trading at about 85 paisa, 90 paisa. It's not too much to risk. I think I'll take a punt on this because I see Renuka, which had consolidated and showing me some signs of wanting to move up. So this is a small, low risk sort of punt, trying to spend a very little amount of money to see that if it does go up, I think 77, 79 should be possible. At which case you will have your intrinsic value trading up, and 2-3 rupees should be possible on your call. The other one, TTML, I think is something which has moved very nicely over the recent times after having been a dog for a very, very long time. And I like the kind of move it has made, although, stocks like Idea and Bharti are up and running ahead of this. But at about 21 quarter, I think it does offer me a bigger bang for the buck in terms of percentage return if I were to trade this. So I think go long a plain future here, 21 quarter. Have a stop at about around 20 rupees. Look for about 23, half 24 as the target. I think the news has led to a fresh lease of life in all telecom stocks. So I don't see any reason why TTML should lag, the trends in Bharti and Idea Cellular, etc. So I think it'll get dragged up in its wake of all the leaders.
All right. And obviously, with regards to the previous strategies, you can hold on to a Gitanjali and Raymond futures. Hold on to IBE Infra futures as well and book profits in Dish TV futures. Dr. C.K. Nara, Mitesh